you tired of clutter taking over your limited space? If your home office or bedroom is feeling cramped, I have found a solution that is both stylish and incredibly practical. This is the Furinno LUDER 5-cube bookshelf, and it might just be the most underrated piece of furniture on Amazon right now. First, the design is genius because it is reversible. Whether you need a horizontal setup or a vertical display, you can flip it to match your exact room layout. Second, the 5-cube design provides massive utility without a massive footprint, standing at just over 31 inches tall. This is perfect for organizing your books, decor, or supplies without overwhelming your space. Finally, the assembly is a breeze. If you dread complicated furniture manuals, you will love how straightforward this is to put together. You get professional organization without the headache. This is a high-value piece that balances aesthetics with pure utility. I highly recommend picking this up before prices shift or stock runs low. Check the link in the description to grab yours today and finally reclaim your space.